right, first thing we're going to do on our paper is write our name. Please write your name now. So the title of this paper says measuring in centimeters. Centimeters. So I'm going to look at my ruler and I'm going to figure out which side is centimeters. So right here, I see the word inch, and that's where the numbers are farther apart. If I see inch, I don't see centimeters, so this side can't be right. So I'm going to flip my ruler around, and now I see the numbers are closer together, and centimeter starts with C, like closer to. So that tells me that this is centimeters. I also see cm right here, and cm is an abbreviation, a shortened way to write centimeter. So I'm going to be on the side where the numbers are closer together. Okay, so when I look at my first line, I'm going to line my ruler up at the 0 tick. If I line it up at the beginning of my ruler, my answer is going to be wrong. Because if you notice right here, I'm closer to 6, but that's lining it up at the beginning of the ruler. That's not where the 0 is, and we start at the 0. If I line it up at the 0, that makes my number 7. This is closer to 7. So you need to be very careful and make sure you line it up at the 0. And so it ends here, which is closer to 7 than it is to 6. So I wrote 7, and then I abbreviate with CM. Okay, next line, lining it up at the 0 tick. It's lined up. And now I'm looking here, and this one is really tricky because it's actually at the half mark. And we're doing to the nearest centimeter. So this one would work if I put 13 centimeters, or I could also have 14 centimeters because it's right in the middle. So either one would work. I would count either one right. Okay, next one, lining it up at the 0 tick. Here's the half mark. It's not on the half mark if I'm looking really closely. This is closer. It's past the half mark. It's closer to 9. So this one is 9 centimeters. If I had 8 for this one, I would be wrong because this is closer to 9. Move your ruler down again and line it up at the 0 tick. Okay, this one is another one that falls right on this half mark. So if it's on the half mark, it could either be 15 or 16. I'm going to write 15 and then put the CM because make sure you label it CM for all of these. The next one, move your ruler down, line it up at the half mark, or the 0 tick, sorry, make sure you're at 0. Okay, this one we need to look super closely. This is about right here. My half mark is here. It's not on my half mark. It's closer to 11. So I'm going to write 11 centimeters. Move your ruler down. And this one is right really close to the 4. So this is 4 centimeters. Okay, your job is to do the next 4 lines by yourself. Make sure you have these top ones how I have them on the paper so you get all of your points. Do your best. When you're finished, put it in the tray.